Hello and welcome to one and all. My name is Lakshaya and I am an intern at LEXIS and Co. I am studying in third year in New Law College, Pune, and the topic for today's video assessment is Taxation Laws Amendment Bill 2021. As we all know, taxes are a really big part of our daily ongoing businesses and general life. Today, we'll learn more about it. The Taxation Law Amendment Bill 2021 was passed recently on 8th of August 2021. There has been quite a lot of debate and discussion regarding the passing of this bill, as it was passed amidst a protest and sloganeering by the opposition parties. The bill had been streamlined by the Union Finance Minister, Mr. Sitaraman, to the House for a decision. The major highlight of the bill is that it will get rid of the retrospective tax, which was introduced as part of Finance Act 2012 and imposed a capital gain on companies like Chennai Energy PLC and Vodafone Group of the UK. While the bill was being moved around the Houses for consideration and passing, Mr. Sitaraman commented on the issue that levying taxes on income derived from issues of Indian assets through transfer of shares of a foreign company was subject to prolonged litigation. In 2012, the Supreme Court ruled that such income is not taxable under the provision of Income Tax Act. Mr. Sitaraman further talked about 17 cases which reported such deduction of income tax before 2012. Out of those 17 cases, only 2 cases have reached court and no conclusive decision was seen on them. Even in 2014, there is no acting on such claims as the cases were still ongoing, with the comments of Mr. Sitaraman in the Law House. Although the law has been appreciated by RBI Governor Mr. Shaktinathan Das, this has been a long pending issue and the government has taken a timely decision in its welcome step. These were the comments given by RBI Governor Mr. Shaktinathan Das on Taxation Law Amendment Bill 2021. But what exactly do we mean by retrospective tax and what does it imply? And how does its removal affect us, the commoners? Well, retrospective tax imposed on companies' capital gains, which caused a major fallout with the British firm like Chennai Energy and Vodafone Group, as mentioned above. The bill was announced by late Pranab Mukherjee during his tenure as the finance minister and approved by then President Pratibha Patil. With its reversal, many pending cases in Indian courts will finally see the light of the day. It has also been backed by numerous investors as it supports the plea of many foreign investors. While Mr. Sitaraman was explaining the bill, he said that the removal of such a bill will amount to nullification of demand made to raise indirect transfer of shares before 28 May 2012, but will be done if specified conditions are met, such as withdrawal of provision of an undertaking for the withdrawal of pending lawsuits and provision of an undertaking that no claim for costs, damages, interest or other compensation will be made. It has also come to light that the central government wanted to get rid of the retrospective tax since 2014, but new cases were filed in the matter and the recovery that was needed of the and the chance to get rid of the tax was in deep void. But after the COVID-19 crisis, a quick recovery was the need of the hour and can be done only by getting rid of certain taxes which will attract foreign investments. And thus, Taxation Laws Amendment Bill 2021 came in place. My name is Lakshaya and thank you for listening to all of this.